June 1st, back home, as you can tell. A happy day to you. Grab a coffee and let's get smarter together. About 4 months ago now, a paper by Angela Tong came out, co-authored by Michael Levine. The research for the paper was done in an attempt to better understand where biological information comes from. For that, Angela Tong looked at embryos. She realized that they have the ability to communicate with each other and to help each other resist various teratogenic influences. So things that would normally cause developmental defects, they don't. In a group, embryos are able to work together to better overcome those kinds of influences. Therefore, the robustness of development is not just a property of a single embryo with its own genome, but actually a group phenomenon. And here comes the part why I remembered the research today and went back to read the paper once more. The bigger the number of embryos in the collective, the better they are able to together solve the problem of morphogenesis. Once the group size hits a certain threshold, 100% of embryos develop as they should. I could take this in so many directions, but what struck me this morning was that this is just another example of a random search conducted by a large enough group leading to the highest payoff for all. It's everywhere. More specifically, what we can see everywhere is nature's desire to make use of a high potential random searches, the exploration of all available data in the search for insight offer. But this desire is in a tug of war with time and metabolic restraints. So nature devises workarounds. And the most common workaround is the collaboration of individual organisms in large groups in which each individual organism supports the other to such an extent that every member feels secure to explore and not just to exploit the existing knowledge. In the specific case of the embryos, they are not just relying on the engram, that's their genome, and the other standards that suggest what part of the genome should be employed where. Each one considers their own diverse combination from the available data. And when enough of them do it, they come about the correct one, the correct answer for the specific situation, in time for all to develop correctly. That's what we all can do. Explore. Also known as think. Make a habit out of thinking. Let's turn thinking into movement because the highest payoff is realized by a collective. Like, comment, share, and follow, lest you miss a single opportunity to improve yourself and society. Once you do, we'll meet again at the coffee pot.